La bellezza è potere. Beauty is power.
That is not gonna work.
Buongiorno! What they should ask to the barber?
We gotta layer up a little bit. Skin fade, guys, is over.
Now I'm gonna show you the two products that I always use. So I think that most of men struggle with their hair, not because they don't care, but because they don't know what to do with it. They don't know which haircut suits them, they don't know what to ask to the barber, and afterwards they don't know how to style it and which products use. For me, it took many years to find a hairstyle that fits me. I tried trendy cuts, fades, short, and the worst thing that I was doing was copying trendy cuts or just copying what I was seeing online. So this video is not gonna be about you trying to copy my hairstyle, because that is not gonna work. It's more about a personal opinion, which hairstyle I think is gonna be the more trendy this 2026 and the reason why, what I ask to the barber, how he cuts my hair, tips, recommendations, and afterwards how I style it and which products I use in my daily day. Okay, so once we know that, we can talk about the hairstyle that I have and why I think it's gonna be the best one for 2026. So this haircut doesn't have a name specifically. It's a long, messy, towards to the back. It's perfect for those people that have a bit of curly hair. So if you have a full straight hair, probably it's not gonna work for you. And the reason why I think it's gonna be the best one for 2026, because it's more elegant, sophisticated, old money, classy vibes. And I think in the late 2025, already this was coming super strong. And definitely in 2026 it's gonna be the most trendy haircut that you will see on a man. And also because it will suit you in any occasion that you can imagine. It's such a classy and elegant hairstyle that it will be so easy and comfortable to use in any situation.
Now I'm headed to the best barbershop in San Francisco with the best barber in town. He's called Antonio. He's from Italy, so just with that you can tell that it's gonna be an amazing haircut, so come with me. So Antonio has been the one that has been cutting my hair since I've moved here, and since the first time he has done an amazing job and I'm so happy with him. So if you're looking for a barber in San Francisco, specifically for men, I cannot recommend enough Antonio. He's the best, he's also super kind, and he's from Italy, guys, so. Look who is there, man! Look who is here! Buongiorno! How are you, my man? So we have here Antonio. So many people is wondering or want to have like a similar hairstyle than the one that I do have.
Yeah.
A more long, classy.
Yeah.
So what they should ask to the barber?
Sure, is a classic look. You know, it's something that never die. Like the old money that right now is really viral, and you know, this long layer, keep it natural with a little bit of volume.
And in terms of size, length, and something more specific, what you would say?
Allora, I would say like a medium lens on the side to play a little bit with some layer, creating a little movement, very natural. And for sure, the key is have some lens. If you start from skin fade, the key is time. We need to let it grow and be patient, because the medium lens, it's a little difficult because it's almost you want to give up, you know, so, it's takes too much. But if you wait a little bit, you have a little patience, you can reach, as everything, you can reach great results.
Yeah, that's why it's so important to invest on your barber, because how your hair grows must be one of the most important things.
Yes, I agree. For me, it's not just a haircut, it's my signature, it's your signature, and it's like a frame of an important portrait, which is you know?
So let's get into it. I think as always, I wanna keep the length of the hair and the shape. I think like the sides are too long, and also like the top, and then on the back as well, less volume, you know, to don't look like a helmet. That's very important, guys. You have to like reduce from the sides and from the back to don't look or have like a whole helmet.
Allora, right now on the side it's way too long, so we gotta reduce some length, reducing the volume. We gotta layer up a little bit, you know, una scalatura, creating a little bit of movement. And in the back, I see like a bulky right here. It's a monton. It's a lot of length, a lot of volume. So I'm gonna reshape this area, like trimming down the length. Always I like this little volume, this connection right here, but I'm gonna layer and doing a little bit of effilage, the technique to layer, but at the same time to texture. On the top, it's way too long. This off, a little less, a little more.
I think it's, yeah.
Va bene? So we're gonna create a nice style today, like we, like hold the money. It's very viral. It's very trendy. I will say that probably skin fade, guys, is over. I'm sorry for the guys who they love skin fade,
And
but
skin fade.
it's finished. No, basta. Naturalezza, bellezza, semplicità, eleganza.
Classy.
It never died, this.
Never
It
dies.
never died. And the lady, they love it,
And of course, the most important thing is always with scissors. No machines, no anything. A full haircut with scissors and technique. That's a very important thing to give the texture and classy look. Look how much precise he is. If your barber is not like this, something is wrong.
sometimes the
Imperfections are perfect. Sometimes those not perfect details make your hair maybe more natural, because we are not looking for a super refined, we want something more messy hair, but with intention. Also, like in fashion, when you are looking for an effortless look, that people think that you didn't take so much time on putting the outfit together, but you really thought about it. With the hair, it's kind of like the same. Yeah, so for the top, guys, I think it's very important to be connected with the sides and the back of the hair. Brand new. Man, you gotta take care of the hair. It's half of your entire face, so...
It was fun today. Do this a little demonstration with the BL. Love yourself and the people love you. So take care of your image. It's not because you are selfish or because you're vain. It's because you are the most important person. So it's you. So always take care and start from the hair, okay?
Punto e final, period. I cannot add any more word to that.
As it is, la bellezza è potere. Beauty is power.
Okay, we are done. Thank you so much,
Grazie.
Antonio. For the ones that are interested in coming here, tell them where it's located and how they should book to have an appointment with you.
Allora, we are at 15 Columbus Avenue, San Francisco, with Antonio Monaco, and we're gonna take care of you if you come saying that you're a BL friend.
If you come from my part, you will have a $5 discount and a coffee, whatever, whiskey, whatever drink that you wish for. So I'll see you at home to finish the video, and again, thank you so much,
I'm gonna start
Antonio.
to follow you on YouTube as well.
On YouTube, yeah. Follow me on YouTube.
Qué cachondo. Chao, chao.
Okay guys, last but not least important step, I want to show you how I style now my hair and the products that I use and the final result. So let's go. Okay, so once I'm out of the shower, what I do is dry a little bit of my hair with my towel. Not too much, we want to keep the wet texture and the wet vibe. So just moving around, soft, being gentle until your hair is a bit dry. Okay, so now the hair has a bit of texture, but what I'm gonna do now to style it is just put all my hair back to start from a base, because the way that I style my hair, it's towards the back. So I'm just gonna play around a bit with my hair until it's a bit fluffy and a bit more messy. Always you gotta play with your hand and with your fingers. It's the best way to have that messy but at the same time classy look. Now I'm gonna show you the two products that I always use. The first product is a matte base from Got2b. I have been using this for 2-3 years and it's my favorite product. And the function of this product is to give more texture to your hair, and having that surfer look with one finger is more than enough. Now you gotta get warm a bit the product, and then with your own hands just play with your hair, style from the front, the back, make sure that you put it through all your hair, and you can tell how it's or looks like a more hard look, have some texture, and also is when I start styling my hair the way that I want. So in my case, I kind of like it to use my own line to do two sizes. So you can tell now just with this product how your hair changes. It's so important to use a product that gives me texture, because if not the hair would be so soft. So I need something to have a more solid hairstyle. And the second product that I use is these all-in-one curls from Revlon. What I do with this product is to enhance my curls, because I really like that vibe of having your curls in the back, in the front, having one hair falling off. So the way that I got that is using this product. If you have a curly hair, this product will enhance that and will make a big difference on you. And I don't know if the order is the right one. I think you must put this product first and the matte base second, but I always do like this and it works for me. So you have to know that every hair it's so different, and you gotta play with your hair, try, know what works for you, what not. And my biggest advice is to never go against your natural shapes and in general your hair. I think it's the most common mistake to try to have one type of haircut or hairstyle that you cannot because of your hair. Basically just try to adapt and play your best cards with what you have. Again, we just play with my hair using my hand, my fingers, and you can see already how these curls are appearing. That's what I want. You can see how this hair is falling off already. That's a very effortless look that I personally love. Also from the back, make sure you put the product everywhere. This will be dry I think in an hour, so I'm gonna show you the final result when it's completely dry. Okay, so this is the final result after 1-2 hours. As you can see, my hair looks with a more wet look and with more product. This happened because I added more product than I should, because I used to have a longer hair. But if you want something more natural, just use less quantity and you will be fine. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions and what you would like to see next, and see you in the next one. Peace.